Concerned with a check engine light? Is your fuel economy declining? Worried about how your vehicle is performing? Whatever the reason, bring it in and let our factory-trained and certified technicians pinpoint the source of the problem and provide an affordable, effective solution. We stock a variety of OEM parts specific to your make and model so we can get you back on the road quickly and safely. We know your vehicle better than anyone. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule your appointment today.